What if you could transform every challenge and setback into an advantage? In a world where chaos is the norm, imagine not just surviving the storm, but using it to your benefit. Today, we're exploring how to build an anti-fragile mindset that doesn't just resist pressure, but thrives because of it. Let's dig into how you can make the unpredictable your greatest ally. Anti-fragility goes beyond mere resilience. Resilience is about bouncing back, but anti-fragility is about bouncing back stronger, like a muscle that grows tougher after each workout. It's the mindset that views chaos as a catalyst for growth. Nassim Nicholas Taleb, the originator of this idea, explained that anti-fragile systems get better under stress. They don't just endure hardship, they use it. Imagine the difference between a reed that bends in the wind and a wildfire that feeds on it. Developing this mindset means you stop fearing change and start feeding off it, harnessing life's unpredictability to build something stronger within yourself. One of the secrets to an anti-fragile mindset is to change how you perceive failure. Thomas Edison didn't view his countless experiments as failures, but as paths that led him closer to success. In the same way, every mistake or unexpected event can be valuable fuel. When things don't go according to plan, the anti-fragile mindset sees it as a learning curve, not a dead end. The goal is to turn failures into stepping stones. Think of failure as the tuition fee for the lessons you can't get any other way. This mindset doesn't just make you stronger, it makes you unstoppable. To grow stronger, you need to challenge yourself deliberately. Seek controlled discomfort, those small, intentional challenges that push your boundaries without overwhelming you. This could mean practicing a new skill until you master it, or testing your limits with a new physical challenge. It's about finding situations that stretch you and make you adapt, like a boxer training with heavier gloves to build strength and speed. Controlled discomfort isn't about diving headfirst into chaos, but about using manageable stress to sharpen your skills. This keeps you ready for whatever life throws your way. Adaptability is crucial to anti-fragility. Instead of clinging to rigid plans or expectations, focus on being flexible and open to change. Bruce Lee famously said, "Be like water, flowing around obstacles and taking shape according to the container you find yourself in." This mindset allows you to pivot quickly when circumstances change, turning unexpected events into opportunities. It's about being open to better alternatives, even if it means changing direction mid-course. An adaptable mind isn't just a survivor, it's a strategist, using every twist in the road to its advantage. The final piece of the anti-fragile mindset puzzle is having a long-term perspective. When you're focused solely on the short term, every setback feels like a catastrophe. But with a long-term vision, you see those setbacks as temporary, part of a much bigger journey. It's the difference between playing a finite game, where every loss feels final, and playing an infinite game, where you know that the goal is to keep playing, learning, and evolving. This mindset lets you weather any storm because you understand that today's chaos could be the foundation of tomorrow's success. Building an anti-fragile mindset is about more than just survival. It's about actively turning chaos into fuel, facing discomfort head-on, adapting to change easily, and maintaining a long-term vision that keeps you steady through the storm. Life is unpredictable, but with the right mindset, that unpredictability becomes your greatest advantage. Keep growing stronger, and until next time, stay sharp, stay adaptable, and as always, I'm out.